So today we are making chicken keema kofta curry, and these are the ingredients. We have taken 2 onions along with 4 chilies and cut them very finely. And we have our spices, the dhania jeera powder, namak, haldi, lal mirch powder, and lasun adrak paste, oil, and chicken keema, that's about 300 grams. And we have made a paste of 3 tomatoes and 2 onions, nicely grounded in the blender. So these are the ingredients. Now we can move to the pan. So thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel, and please do press the bell icon so that you get a notification of all my videos. And also the link of the Instagram and Facebook page is there in the description. Please do follow that, like and share. So we have a pan. Now we will add our oil for the curry. We add our lasan adrak paste first to go. That's a 1.5 spoon of lasan adrak paste. I have purposely not taken the oil to be hot because then it starts sparkling towards the camera. But yes, the oil should be hot, and then you add in your lasan adrak paste, and now you can add in your onion and tomato gravy. Very nicely finely grounded. Mix that up both. And we add in our spices. That's 1.5 spoon of salt, half a spoon of haldi, 1.5 spoon of your dhania jeera powder, and your 1.5 spoon of red chili powder. Give it a good stir. Now we leave it for 5 minutes for sauteing. So now we start making the kofta masala. So first I add in my onion cut and green chili cut into the keema. We add in our salt, about a 1.5 small spoon, and we add in our coriander, and we mix this up nicely. So as you can see, now the oil is separating and the masala has got sorted out nicely. So we add in our water. This curry will be a little thin because then once the kofta. So you can see we have mixed up nicely our chicken keema along with onions and coriander and salt and chilies, and now we are ready to make the kofta. So now let's move towards the pan where our curry has already got a boil. So we'll start putting in our chicken kofte. Softly lay them. Do not touch them for a little while till they become a little solid. Actually, if you want, you can add your breadcrumbs or something like that, but then that makes the taste a little bland. So that is why I have not added anything of that. It's okay for the little shape, to get a different shape, that's fine. So as you can see, our koftas are done from both sides nicely. The curry also has left a little oil, so we're fine and we're done. Just put your 2-3 green chilies in between for the garnishing and your coriander to go, and we're done. You can move in for your plating now.